What if we realize the thoughts? You'll be mine, you'll be mine. I think I can get by your side. Let go, so okay. Bung tayo. Perfect. What if we realize the thoughts? You're the one. May easy. Aray mo. Aray mo, putin. Pagkasi magkanta tayo. Ni Robert. Ay. Ay, pagkasampay na eh. Scotch tape. Ano nang kanto? Ayan, look. Yeah, yan na. Ayan, yan na. More letters. I tried to scotch tape it, so you touch it na. Yeah, oh, ay. Yan na. Guys, I put it inside. I don't know how to put it out. So, I'm going to Tito! Ay, mag-selfie mo na eh. Yan ang pagkakin niya. Yan ang pagkakin sa kanan. Wait, no. No. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put it out. I think it will get broken. Broke tayo ba? Broke tayo din. Oo, hindi din. I think you're not I don't know. I think you are. Hindi ba? What's not working? Why did it help me? I need to get it. I think the dirtiest person in the world is India. So they keep on like, baka pala i-spider. Hindi na kita spider naman natin. Doon, hindi na may question siya. Ayan, touch tape. Ito yung dito. Itabihan na! I think it's it. I am gonna give your first name Ayan. First name. But F is for Frances.